guys.
Hey, yo. I just got my controller.
Alright, but hey guys, welcome back to another video, another Animal Company video. We're gonna be showing you how to get that, the
golden gun.
Alright, so today we're gonna be showing you guys, as the title and like the thumbnail and everything, we're gonna show you guys how to get like the golden gun thing, you know, whatever, that you have to complete the maze in, and we're gonna show you how to get it in exactly the ways. So let's go. Let me get my stuff. I'm going to also need here's all the stuff that you need. So you don't need a flashlight, so just get that out. Dang, I'm broke. Alright, so you're gonna need a grappler. So we'll just put this on our side.
Bro, I can fly, look! I'm flying!
Bro, shut up! And to kill them,
I'm flying!
I don't care! Oh shoot.
I'm flying!
Little guy's flying.
He's gonna eat me!
Alright,
I'm gonna hide in this backpack.
all you need is a... Bro, what? Alright, so all you need
Let me
is...
hide in there!
No!
Let me hide in there!
There.
Yes.
Alright, so all you need... Give me it back. Give me it back. Alright, so all you need is a blue backpack, big, large blue backpack, or just a normal one, any kind of backpack. And a grappler, pickaxe, and you don't need light or
I'm
anything.
Steve.
So we're gonna take some of this, and we're gonna take 2 ammos, in case we come across, like, you know, the monster. Alright, let's go, bro.
Wait, I don't have any more. I need a grappler. I'm limit of buying.
Bro. You're so broke. I'm joking. There. Alright, let's go, guys.
I have 5 minutes.
Yeah, I have 1 mil, but because I'm broke. Alright, so all you have to do is go to the forest. Because the forest is so thingy. I meant thingy. I meant dingy. I meant what? Wait. Alright, so all you have to go in the forest and exactly this way until you see it right here. So you should see this.
Hey, you want to see something? Look, you see this? You see this? Look, I keep it undercover. Wait, look. Wait. Your new package came in, Akio. Oh crap.
Bro's package just lost control. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this in case we need it. So just come this way. Yo, this way.
Hold on.
Bro, what are
I'm
you...
putting my stuff back.
Bro, why do you have so much stuff? Alright, let's go.
Cause I came prepared. I am.
Let's... Yo! Bro! He just killed me! This monkey goofy aha just killed me. Bro. Here, hold up. Wait there, I'm coming back. Bro, this monkey, bro. I swear to God, guys, I'm gonna kill him.
Am I cooked?
That's one of the reasons why I needed to do that. Hold up.
Are you drinking an RPG?
No. Flip. No. Where are you? Come. Where are you? Bro, come to the entrance. I'm scared.
I'm lost.
Where's my stuff at? Yo, hold up! I see my stuff. I see my stuff. Anna, where I died at?
But I hear you.
Yo, I see you.
Hi.
Here, go in here. Wait, my grappler. I need it.
Oh, there, I got you. I got you.
Give me it. I keep it under cover. What the frick? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Bro, you monkey. Okay. No! No! No, 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 no! Dad, I'm scared. You know what? You good? Hello? Did you kill it? Bro, did you kill it? Oh wait, I see my grappler. I got it. Let's go. Bro, you're not talking. It's scary. Alright, whatever. We gotta go find this monkey gorilla thing. I hear you this way. That's pretty scary. Where is he? Yo! Yo! What the heck? The heck? Oh, that was weird. Yo! Where is he? Bro, Fable, where are you? That girl! The girl! I'd rather be dead right now. Yo! I'd literally rather be dead than do this, but I'm doing it for you guys. Where is this monkey? I gotta get out, guys. I gotta get out. Bro, this maze is confusing me. And I'm very scared. I don't think I'm showing you guys where it is right now. Hello? Where are you? Please. Oh, bring it back to me. Bring it back to me and we'll dupe it. Alright, like quit the game and then like join back. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, I'm gonna quit the game and then join back. So don't mind this, guys. We're just gonna dupe the egg cause like, you know, all that. Oh, flip. Oh my, this is like the worst video that we've ever done. Oh my. Hey, but I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine. Dun, dun, okay. Here. Oh, by the way,
Red, I need that. Red, I
my
need
fan code is pricks
Blue, how do you get those guns?
VR. Like my fan code is pricks VR. So we're gonna dupe the egg real quick. All right, here. Let me dupe the egg. Where's the egg? Well, let me see the egg. I want to look at it. Let me admire it. Okay. Stop the gun. It might have switched. Just dupe it. Just dupe it. Yeah. It changes the difference. See? Look, it changes the difference. When you, hold up. I have a question. Once you like your character's gone, can I grab it? Can I? No, I don't know. Maybe. Nah, bro, the egg's trying to leave. The egg's trying to leave. Oh, by the way, guys, we're also going to dupe a lot of eggs and then give it to a lot of our subs. And he just said it didn't dupe, so I guess we'll try another time. Whoa! Yo, I just found a new out of the map plan. Yo. Bro, come here! Come here! Come here! You only have 2? Okay, that's good. Now give me one. Give me one of them. What the fuck? Give me one. I'll take the beautiful one. Can I open it? I won't touch it. I'm gonna try to smash it. What the fuck? How do I open it? Yo, how do I open it? How do I open it? Then how? And then oh wait. Then how do we get like the gun? How do you get them? Oh, I'll take that. What's in it? Nothing. And I'll take it, cause why not? Pew pew shotgun. Be back quick. Chilling. Oh, flip. Don't use that. Don't touch those, please. Please. Yo, how do you get that? 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 Can I have one? 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 Can I wait, well, I don't want to buy nothing. Wait, can you dupe that? Can you dupe that real quick, please? I really want one of those. I've been wanting. Like, I literally kiss you. Okay, yes, daddy. I know. Alright, but let me do my outro. Peace out, everybody. Hope you have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. But I'm gonna eat my hot fries, my Gatorade, and look at my new Pokemon. Yeah, so peace out. You're gay and you're black and you're